Noël, s'il vous plaît, répétez le mot la forêt très lentement. Allez-y. Bonjour et bienvenue à votre classe de français. Hi and welcome to your French class. Welcome to Learn French avec ANJ. Learn French avec A et J. Mais aujourd'hui, c'est seulement Learn French avec J, avec moi, avec Jackie. OK? Super. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de quelque chose qui est difficile pour beaucoup d'étudiants. Today, we're going to talk about something that's a bit difficult for a lot of students. We're going to talk about accents. We're going to talk about 4 specific accents with the letter E in French. Nous allons parler des accents avec la lettre E, de 4 accents en particulier. L'accent aigu, et, l'accent grave, est, l'accent circonflexe, est, et le tréma. Mais pas de souci, nous allons pratiquer et c'est juste une question de pratiquer et d'écouter beaucoup de fois ces différents accents. I promise you, it's just a question of practice and of listening to these accents over and over and over again so that your ear can get used to the sounds. With time, you've got this, okay? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learn French with ANJ, avec A et J. As well as you can also subscribe to my other sister channel, which is Sigue, for more French lessons, as well as like this video, or dislike it, whatever. Comment, and share this video with the world! Thank you. Merci, merci mes amis. Alors, allons-y, ok? Commençons avec l'accent aigu. L'accent aigu. Alors, l'accent aigu avec le E, c'est l'accent, je pense, qui est le plus populaire des 4 accents. C'est l'accent que vous allez retrouver le plus. So, in terms of accents, you're going to see the accent aigu, right? Which is where the tiré goes from the right down to the left, right? This E with this accent is the most popular of the 4 accents we're going to deal with today. So it's the one that you're going to hear all the time. And it's also the sound that we hear all the time in French, which is the sound E. E. You see my mouth? E. E. Okay? So, some examples. Année. Répéter. José. Right? All ER verbs, right, sound like E. And this E with that accent, le E avec accent aigu, the sound is E. Very nice. Yes? Awesome. Très bien. Alors répétez. E. E. Année. Année. Répétez. Répétez. José. José. E. Très bien. Le deuxième accent, l'accent qui est populaire après l'accent E, c'est le E avec un accent grave. OK? E, accent grave. So for the accent grave, you do a slash above the E that goes from the left up top down to the right. E accent grave. Okay? And this sound is E. Right? The other was E. This one is E. Like père, mère. Right? What are some other? Très. Après. So there are variation of the sounds with l'accent grave, right? It's like the très, après, père, mère. But those are accent aigu. What am I saying? Accent grave. L'accent grave. Alors répétez. Très. Après. Père. Mère. Très bien. There are some reasons why accent grave is used in terms of like historically speaking, but we won't go into that for today. I just want you to get used to how it sounds and how it's written. Le prochain accent, c'est l'accent circonflexe. We also call it le chapeau. So, because it looks like a hat, right? It's like this. So, E, accent circonflexe, ou E avec le chapeau, avec un chapeau. And this sound, l'accent circonflexe, c'est E, but a longer one, okay? A longer one. And historically speaking, for this one, I'll explain a little bit just because this was created as a way, as a marker for vowels which were followed by usually another letter, which was usually the letter S, okay? So in Old French, these words had an S after the E, right? Like, for example, être. Back in the day, it was E-S-T-R-E was how it was written. Or forêt, the forest, in Old French was written with an S after the E. So, forêt, hôtel. Alors je répète. Être, hôtel, forêt. Encore une fois, E avec l'accent circonflexe ou le chapeau. Être, forêt, hôtel. Très bien. Et le dernier accent pour aujourd'hui, c'est l'accent le plus rare. Now this last accent is the rarest one of the four. So I went in from most popular to least popular, okay? Just to help you out. And it's called le tréma, which is two little dots above the E. Le tréma, okay? And it's usually used when there's another vowel before the E, right? So as to distinguish, so as to separate the sounds between these two vowels, okay? So that it doesn't become, for example, Noël, right? So it doesn't become Nol. We put a tréma, so you can say L. Noël, Noël, right? That is your example. Très bien! Bravo! Alors, quels sont les 4 accents avec E qu'on a appris aujourd'hui? Numéro 1, E accent aigu. Ok? Par exemple, répétez. Numéro 2, E accent grave. Par exemple, trait. Numéro 3, E, accent circonflexe ou avec le chapeau. Par exemple, forêt. Et quatrième exemple, le tréma. Par exemple, Noël. Bravo! Super! Si vous avez des questions ou des problèmes, s'il vous plaît, dites-le moi dans les commentaires. If you have any questions or problems, please let me know in the comments below. And I will see you at our next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learn French avec ANJ, AEJ, for more French lessons, as well as my sister YouTube channel, Sigue, CESTJACKIE, as well as like this video or don't like it, press that. Share this video with the world and leave me a comment below. Leave my sister a comment below too. She misses you. À bientôt. Merci. Au revoir.